Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to take a look on how to install Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop and how can you set it as default browser. This video is sponsored by CloudSwap, cloud-to-cloud migration service. So if you want to migrate your files from one cloud to another, check out the sponsor section later in the video. Now, to get started with installing Google Chrome, what you want to do is open, in this case, the default browser on Windows, which is Microsoft Edge. So go ahead and open Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, in this case, Chrome browser. Click on this. Okay. And I want to download Google Chrome. I'm gonna uncheck the statistics checkbox and go ahead and click on download Chrome. Give it a second. If the download doesn't start, you will want to click on this link right here. Okay. For some reason it doesn't start on my side, so let me go ahead and download it manually. There you go. And then we got the Google Chrome setup file. So click on the open file. Yes. Click on that. You'll be prompted with a notification that you need to install Google Chrome. And there you go. This is the way you download Google Chrome. Give it a second. While this is installing, let's talk a little bit about today's sponsor. And today's video is sponsored by CloudSwap. CloudSwap is an online service tool that can help you transfer files from one cloud provider to another. For example, if you have your files hosted on OneDrive and you wish to switch to Google Drive, that's no problem. It's all done in 3 easy steps. You need to select the folders and files that you wish to transfer, and then choose the destination where you want them to be copied. And that's it. You simply click start, and then your files will be copied to the new cloud provider. For more information, please check the link in the description below and register for free and start migrating or transferring your files. Okay, so once the installer completes, you will be prompted with the Google Chrome browser, and it also will be added on your desktop. So let me close out Microsoft Edge, and you also will have an icon on a desktop for Google Chrome, and now you're all set and done. Okay, next step is let's set it default, because when you install Windows, it comes with the Edge browser as default browser. So we want to change that to Google Chrome. So first thing first, you need to go to Start. Click on the gear icon that you have here, the settings menu. And what you want to do is go to Apps, because you have here the uninstalled defaults. This is what we're looking for. So click on Apps. And now go to Default Applications on the left hand side. Perfect. And as you can see, these are the default application for email, maps, music player. What you want to look for is the web browser. In our case, it's Microsoft Edge. So let's go ahead and click on this. And Windows is prompting us with a pop-up panel where we can choose the default application that we want as our new browser. Now, for Google Chrome or for Firefox, for any of these browsers to appear here, you have to install them first. So if you don't see Google Chrome, go back to step 1, install it, and then you should see here. Okay, once you have selected the browser that you want as default, you'll be prompted again because Microsoft really is keen on keeping you to Microsoft Edge. Just go ahead and click switch anyways, and there you go. Now you have Google Chrome as your default web browser. So hopefully this was a useful video. If you find it useful, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment below, and if you find the overall content useful, please subscribe. Thank you, and talk to you in the next one. Bye.